Hi, welcome to the sixth episode of our SQL Master Series. In today's session, we are looking at the SQL question which was asked in the Oracle to calculate the total compensation of the sales team. Let us see the query now. As a sales operation analyst at the Oracle, we have been tasked with assisting the VP of the sales in determining the final compensation earned by the each salesperson of the year. Compensation structure includes the basic fixed base salary, commission based on total deals, and potential accelerators for exceeding their quota. Each salesperson earns a fixed base salary and a percentage of commission on their total deals. Also, if they beat their quota, any sales after they receive an accelerator, which is just a higher commission rate applied to their commissions after they hit their quota. Write a query that calculates the total compensation earned by each salesperson. The output should include employee ID and their total corresponding total compensation sorted in descending order. In the case of ties, the employee IDs should be sorted in ascending order. So what they need is employee ID and total compensation, and the total compensation should be done based on the base and the sales target, whether they meet the quota or not. If they meet the quota, there is separate calculation. If they don't meet the quota, there is another calculation where okay, these are the two tables. We have deal size and employee ID deals table, and the other table is employee contract. So base, quota, accelerator, and commission. So we do the calculation as per this the quota, accelerator, and commission, the total compensation. So if you are familiar with the question and solution, you try with your own solution first before seeing this video. You can pause this video and try. I have given all the input data along with this video. Okay, now we will do the inner join first. So why do we do inner join? We can do even left join also, but we need all the common table, common rows which are in both the tables. So we do inner join employee contract on d dot employee id equal to c dot employee id. So we got all the both the tables here. We got the deal size, base, quota, and commission, everything. Now we need to do only the criteria, how to calculate the total compensation. First we need employee id. So we take d dot employee id, comma, and case when the sum of the total deal size is less than the quota, then base plus commission into sum of the deal size. This has been given in the question itself, how to calculate. Else, if it is greater than sum of the deal size is greater than quota, then what do we need to do? We need to add base plus the commission into quota. Commission into quota plus we need to do sum of the deal size minus quota multiplied by commission multiplied by accelerator. And as total compensation. So we got everything. Now how do we do? We need to do it by group by d dot employee id, comma, base, comma, quota, comma, accelerator, comma, commission. and we need to do the order by total compensation. Is total compensation in descending order, and employee ID. So we didn't do the round, so we do here round off. So here we got the answer, same as this answer. So if you have any other solution, please pin in the comments. Thank you.